for me since the beginning. Thank you so much for your kindness and support. Thank you.
Miss Recipes was born on October 4, 2004. She is now 18 years of age.
Someday, she believes in the say to be a champion. I think you have to see the big picture. It's not about winning or losing. It's about everyday hard work and about striving on a challenge. It's about embracing the pain that you'll experience at the end of a race. And now, being afraid. I think people think too hard and get afraid.